Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Makeover Monday. So we're going to be making a sweet potato black bean enchilada casserole. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, and you love helping out a good cause, make sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below for details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. All right, so usually on Makeover Monday, I do like a low carb, I do a low calorie recipe. Today I thought we would do a meatless recipe. So we're going to do like a vegetarian dish. And you could make it vegan, but we're going to use cheese in here because you guys know I love cheese. So I have a full onion. I used a red onion. If you just have a white onion on hand, that's fine. But I went ahead and chopped that up. And then I also have a large sweet potato that I peeled and I cut it in half just to make it a little bit easier because I'm going to grate this. So we just want to grate the whole thing right in with the onion. All right, I think that looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and stir this up just a little bit. And then we're going to toss this in the microwave for about 3 to 4 minutes just until all this softens up a bit. All right, then once we have this softened up just a little bit, we are going to add in a whole can of black beans, rinsed, drained and rinsed. And we also want to add in 1 teaspoon of cumin. I say cumin, everybody else says cumin. All right, I think that's good. So I'm going to stir this all together. Ooh, that is smelling good already. I think cumin is probably my all-time favorite spice. Okay, so I've got my Rockcrok here. As long as you have a microwave-safe dish with a lid, it should work. I know this recipe was created specifically for this, but it should work with any microwave-safe dish. So I'm just laying down a flour tortilla. And this original recipe called for corn tortillas, but I really like the flour one, so that's what I'm putting in here. All right, so a flour tortilla, and then we're going to put a little bit of enchilada sauce. And then we're going to layer it with a little bit of cheese. About half of this cheese. And then about half of our filling. Well, this would be a pretty dish to make in the fall. Doesn't that look like Halloween? It's like Halloween in a dish. So I'm just going to smooth that out. And then we're going to put another flour tortilla over the top. I'm just going to press down just so it's nice and even. And a little bit more of enchilada sauce. And I'm going to do the filling, and then I think I'll put the cheese on top. So just spread it out again. And I think I'm going to tuck those flour shells down in there, or tortillas, just so they don't dry out. Make sure they get coated with some enchilada sauce. All right, that looks good. And then I'm just going to sprinkle the rest of the cheese on the top here. So I'm going to cover this with a lid, and then we are going to put this in the microwave for about 8 minutes. All right, let's take a look. Looks beautiful. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it under the broiler for about 2 or 3 minutes, and we're going to get that cheese topping real nice and bubbly. Now take a look. Doesn't that look delicious? So I've got a little plate here that I put a little bit of sour cream on. So I'm just going to get me a little bit right out of here and take a bite. One of the things I love about this dish is if you're like me and you really don't care for sweet potatoes, you'll never know what's in here. It's absolutely delicious. It tastes just like enchiladas. So I hope you guys will give this one a try. Not only is it easy, but it's really, really fast. It comes together in under 30 minutes. So I thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.